Hello everyone, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of GSL. 5 reasons why studying abroad in the UK at Gloucestershire and Canterbury will be one of the best decisions that you will make in your life. And we will ask Ma'am Saima, our study abroad expert, that why it can be one of the best decisions. Ma'am, over to you.
Okay, well, there are multiple reasons that University of Gloucestershire and Canterbury are very important for the students, for the Pakistani students especially. They're a big catch because the first and foremost reason is that the initial deposit for the University of Gloucestershire in Canterbury is very less. Like, it's just £4,000 for University of Gloucestershire and it's just £5,000 for University of Canterbury. So I don't think that's kind of an amount that Pakistani students cannot afford as the initial pay for the university admission.
Okay,
so yes, that's a basic reason we have to get admitted to the University of Gloucestershire and Canterbury.
So, ma'am, what could be the second reason to study in UK and these universities?
Well, that's very, very interesting. I mean, students can have the perks, can enjoy the perks of living in London by just not living in, expensive London. How? Because University of Gloucestershire is just 1 hour away from Birmingham and 2 hours drive away from London. So, I mean, they are not that far away from these big major cities, but they are not getting to live in there and have that expensive life these cities offer, right? And same is the case with the University of Canterbury. That is just 1 hour away from London. Like, I mean, it's just 1 hour drive and you are there to enjoy the nightlife of the London and so many historical places over there. So that's
ironically interesting.
Yeah, exactly. These are the biggest perks, I would say, of getting admission in these two universities.
Yeah. And what could be the next reason?
One very, very important reason for the Pakistani students and for students from all over the world is that for those who do not want to opt for IELTS and PTE. I mean, language cert is being accepted in the University of Gloucestershire and Oxford test is being accepted in the Canterbury. So it's very easy peasy now because you don't have to register for the IELTS or PTE. Those are the very tough tests. So these easy options you can get and you can get the admissions to these universities.
That's easy.
That's wonderful. Yeah.
And any other reason?
Well, there is one more which is also very important, which is, and most of the students, they don't really bother for the highly ranked universities in the world. They go for the money most of the time. But here we have these universities with the nominal fees, fee packages, but having exposure of like the worldwide. How? Because University of Gloucestershire is being ranked among 800 world's universities by the World University Rankings. And the University of Canterbury is among the best 1,000 universities in the world, and that is being surveyed by QS rankings, right? And one more important reason is low living cost, because students who cannot afford to live in the major cities, the big cities of England like Birmingham, Manchester and London, they get to live near to these cities. So they're living nearby and they're having the perks of these cities. They can enjoy the lives of these cities, but they can at the same time afford a nominal fee of these University of Gloucestershire and Canterbury. And I think these are the enough reasons that
at the end I would conclude it in a way like it is easy and
affordable.
It
is. Of course it is.
That's it.
Of course.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.